welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So not so long ago I did my Look Fantastic beauty box unboxing, and a couple of days ago I received my Glossybox, which is here. So it's the standard pretty box with the logo in the middle, the Glossybox style, and let's open this up. These are all the things I have received this month. So in the box we have this little card with a digital QR code and it says scan me, and this will be the digital copy of our magazine. So let's scan this. So this is what the magazine looks like. I love the background scene of the mountains and the snow, so pretty. Then we have the content, we have the editor's note, we have the story behind the box, the reveal of the box and products inside it, and some other makeup information. So the note from the editor states, "Hey Glossies, add a glossy touch to your Après-Chic agenda and finish a busy day with a pamper. Our Après-Chic party will have you well prepared for the chilly season ahead and will no doubt offer a refreshing reset ready for a day on the slopes. This February box boasts brands from This Works, Gatineau and Sophia and Mabelle to show you slay every day no matter the weather." So the story behind the box. The best thing after an action-packed day on the ski slopes, après-ski of course, but we do it in glossy way. Welcome to Après-Chic party. On the slopes or relaxing at home, this party is for everyone. The hot apparel is waiting in pretty glasses right next to your glossy box, which surprises you with exciting and useful products for cold days outside and cozy evenings inside. Well-protected skin, soft lips and radiant eyes are in store. Ski on to find out more. And then it gives us a link. So this month we received 5 products, of which 3 everyone will receive, and the other 2 there were options on which were given out. So the first product we have received is a Deep Sleep Cocoon Body Lotion by This Works, which is 50ml and worth £12.50. So this body lotion contains lavender and chamomile, which is great for relaxing and putting you to sleep. On the back it says, massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. So let's smell this. So I've just taken a tiny bit on the back of my hand, and I can smell the lavender already. It is very strong. And I'm just going to rub it all over my hand like a hand cream. My hands are far away from my face and I can smell the lavender. It is very strong, which is great because it will help me sleep easy. The next product we have is a Gatineau water cream, which is 30ml and worth £19.99. So this is a water cream which contains shea butter, fig and seaweed, which is great for hydration. And on the back of here it says, apply every morning and evening over face and neck and avoid the eye area. It smells very fresh, like I can still smell lavender, but I think that's coming from my hand and not the actual cream. Let's smell the actual cream. Got some on my nose. Then we have the Sophia and Mabelle Après-Chic eyeshadow palette, which is worth £15. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It comes in a grey plastic casing, and if we open it up you'll be able to see all the eyeshadow colours here. It doesn't come with a mirror or a clear casing, and on the back of here I'm pretty sure these are the eyeshadow shades here. Assuming these are the shades at the back, this is what they are. So this is Frozen, this is Mocha, this is Berry, this is Latte and this is Espresso. So in this palette there are 3 matte shades and 2 shimmers. For me it's a very warm palette and I feel like it's more of an autumn palette with the colours. It's like semi-neutral. I can see that these 2 colours you could probably use on a daily basis, and even the brown. I feel like these are more autumny, but you can use them daily. Next product is a choice between 2 items. It's either a toothpaste or a teeth whitening pen. These are the options. And I have received the hypersensitive toothpaste, which is 75ml and £13.50. So this toothpaste is great for people with sensitivity and it contains enamel protection. It smells a bit like Sensodyne and Colgate put together. Not sure if you can see, but it comes out kind of like a cloudy colour and it seems to have little glitter speckles. Again, the next product was an option between these 2 products. So you'd either get a scalp shampoo or a lip tinted lip balm. I received the Leaf Plus Seed Head First Scalp Shampoo, which is 40ml worth £6. So this shampoo contains CBD and hemp oil, which is supposed to help with scalp irritation. On the back of here it says, create the perfect foundation for hair health to flourish. Inflammation caused by daily lifestyle aggression, stress and pollution can cause irritation to the scalp and hair, resulting in breakage, loss and compromised environment for hair to grow. Apply a small amount to wet hair, massage scalp and hair until it lathers and rinse with warm water. So this is our shampoo. So guys, that brings me to the end of my unboxing. Those were all the products I received this month in my Glossybox. I received 5 items, and when I summed this up, I came to a total of $56.99. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find it useful, and if you want any product reviews, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take care for now, and I shall see you soon. Bye!